Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a point of view drive, a rainy one. As you can see, it's pouring rain, but we have the new BMW X4. First of all, many thanks to Six Rent-A-Car for letting me have this car on a test. Let's do a quick walk around of the car and then we'll go straight inside, because as you can see, the weather is horrible. So this is the all new BMW X4, looking fresh, looking nice. Coupe style of the roof, 8 centimeters longer than the predecessor, and this is the back. So let's jump inside and go for a drive. All right, so let's go. Starting the engine with this button, of course, and we are ready to roll. Model in question is xDrive 20D, and that means it's got the 2-liter diesel producing 190 horsepower with 400 newton meters of torque. And of course the power is transferred to all wheels, so it's an xDrive system. And yeah, well, it's a very nice place to be, I will tell you that. We need to turn off the start-stop system. Anyway, we have the brand new digital cockpit, same as on all new BMW models. It is actually adjustable, but some parts are adjustable. You can have different settings and information on your right, and then you can also have this map view, which I currently have, or you can go for a clean look without this map, but I think this looks cool. And I also like to have this newton meters and horsepower that you are using. And then this is the big screen with navigation. Navigation has a very nice 3D shape of the buildings. I don't know if you can now see it. This is the building where we actually started. This is all very fast and responsive. There's also a head-up display. I'm not sure you can see that on the camera, but it's a rather useful feature of this car. And yeah, we're gonna go outside of the city, because as you can see here, it's a total mayhem. It's 9 AM and people are going to work and doing all the things that they need to do, so a lot of traffic. And we're gonna go outside of the city, and I'm gonna show you how this car performs on a highway. Also, there's already an in-depth review of this car and night point of view drive, so I'm not gonna do too much of a talking on this video, but you can watch those for more details of the car. Here you will see, as I said, the highway drive and overall drive during the day, We have the ambient lighting, it's currently on blue, and on night point of view drive I changed bunch of colors so you can watch that. And then currently you have different menus on this big screen. It is a touch screen, but also can be adjusted with this touchpad, so actually controller, so that's the way that I use it. And this car has different driving modes. We are currently in the comfort mode, but you can also put the sport mode, comfort, or eco pro. As you can see, when we turned on the eco mode, we have different layout of the dials. So let's actually have the eco mode. they turn into blue, and on your right you have the average consumption, so not even the revs. I suppose that's here to make you want to drive it a bit more carefully, a bit more slower, to lower the consumption of the car. I'm gonna put it back to comfort. And yeah, well, let's drive. And just relax. It's a horrible weather, but in this car, it's nice, and I mean, you're really comfortable in here. And this car is also equipped with bunch of safety systems, so pedestrian alert, and then you have the collision warning, the lane departure warning, and lane change warning. Also, there's a park assist to help you with your parking. So yeah, those make your life easier. we are entering the highway. So 130 below 2000 RPMs. Okay, and now we have 100 kilometers per hour limit, and as you can see, below 1500 RPMs on 100 kilometers per hour. Okay guys, so that was it, a point of view drive during the day, but also during rain, very wet one, but it is what it is. Thank you very much for watching. Tell me in the comments how do you like this car, and also subscribe for many upcoming new videos, point of view drives, and also watch my night point of view drive and in-depth review of this car. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.